Here's another hack for scratch building model boats. Japanese toothpicks. If you've ever seen one, you'd notice that they have this odd pattern carved into them. Why? Just to be decorative? No. Japanese people feel it is unsanitary and bad table manners to pick your teeth and then set the toothpick back down on the table. So these are designed to let you break off the top, set it on the table, and then set your toothpick onto it. I learned that they simply come in handy for lots of boat building and model rocket building. First thing you've got to know is that your Dremel tool came with 2 chuck cores. One for the standard Dremel implements, and one for smaller shafts. The smaller shaft one is exactly the right size for one of these toothpicks. Just insert the toothpick, break away the excess, and lock it in place. Now you have a Dremel tool lathe. Using an emery board, you can shape the toothpick in lots of useful ways. Does this steam whistle look familiar? And how about these rail posts? Excuse the dust, folks. I pulled this off the top shelf to show you this. Likewise, put a dab of silver paint on their lathe tops, and I have the deck lights for the whaleback John Erickson, as well as both of her deck capstans. They also make perfect retro rockets for my Saturn I Block II model rocket. You can get them at any Asian food store, or you do like I did and marry a Japanese woman.